Begin by opening the Housekeeping View to see an overview of room status. Dirty, clean, maintenance are visible, and you can create more room status from masters. From the Maintenance column, select Room 404 to update its current status. Change the status to Clean, add a remark that the AC issue has been resolved and save the update. Now 404 is in Clean Room list. Next, select Room 201 in the Dirty column and update its status to Clean. Hit OK. Then click on Room 202, change it to Dirty, and add a remark that the room is getting ready. Hit OK, switch to the Stay Overview tab to view the room reservation calendar. You can see each room status by colors and mouse over, like 101 is dirty, 102 is clean, and so on. Locate room 202 on the calendar and use the status icon to update it back to clean. Hit OK. Finally, return to the Housekeeping View and update room 101 to a clean status. This is very useful module for your housekeeping department. We do have a mobile app too for housekeeping staff. Thank you.